How to deal with rude people and insults. Friends, we can never completely avoid rude people. They are everywhere in our society and are a part of it. Sooner or later, you will have to face them. The important thing is not to avoid them, but to know how to deal with them and how to react to their words. If someone insults you with their rude behavior or tries to demean you, how should you respond? Some people insult others just to feel better about themselves. They have their own insecurities and weaknesses, but instead of focusing on self-improvement, they choose to put others down. Sometimes they are jealous of you, your work, your success, and are just looking for an opportunity to bring you down. In today's video, we will discuss how to handle rude behavior and insults. Make sure to watch until the end because this will be beneficial for you. The most common reaction to insults. Anger. When someone insults us, our natural reaction is usually anger. We immediately feel hurt and get upset. However, anger is actually the weakest response to an insult. It means that you are accepting the insult and letting it affect you. And that is exactly what the insulter wants. Their goal is to see you break down, to enjoy your reaction. People who are afraid of being insulted are usually the ones who get insulted the most because others find it entertaining. Respond, don't react. Instead of reacting emotionally, the best approach is to respond strategically. The first step is to stay calm. Don't respond immediately. Act as if nothing has happened. This will give you time to prepare a composed and effective response. Using humor to handle insults. One of the best ways to respond to an insult is with humor. If you have a good sense of humor, there's no better way to diffuse the situation. A humorous comeback not only neutralizes the insult, but also lightens the mood. For example, if someone mocks your outfit or makeup at a party, instead of getting angry, smile and say, "Oh, I actually learned my dressing sense from you. That's why I need you to improve first, so I can follow your lead." However, your tone should be natural and polite. Your voice should be calm, not loud, so the other person doesn't feel like they got under your skin. Ignoring the insult. If humor isn't your strong suit, then the best way to handle an insult is to simply ignore it. Sometimes not responding at all is as effective as giving a sharp reply. If you show that their words have no impact on you, it's a win for you and a loss for them. You can ignore an insult by changing the topic, starting a new discussion, or even briefly leaving the room. Expressing how you feel after staying calm. If someone's words genuinely hurt you, do not react immediately. Stay calm, maintain control over your emotions, and then later, when you are composed, let them know in a mature way that their words were inappropriate. Help them realize that what they said affected you and could impact your relationship with them. Communicate the consequences of their behavior in a respectful manner. Do something positive for yourself. An insult is a form of negative behavior, and if you ever have to face it, try doing something positive afterward to lift your spirits. Engage in an activity that makes you happy. Go for a walk, spend time with friends or family, help someone with their work. This will help you shake off the negative impact and replace it with positive energy. So, friends, how did you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.